Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia with a quick update of the 55 Chevy. So there it is, guys. Got it under wraps. Just waiting for the New York State paperwork to come. Was in the garage 43 years, but we have it under the cover. It's a waterproof cover, which is nice. And there she is. A little quick peek of the 55. So today was actually tomorrow's going to be 3 months that I filed for the New York registration in my name. The car will be for sale if somebody's interested. But some of you might ask, why isn't it in the garage? This is actually a nice, really waterproof cover. But we have a 2008 $100,000 Z06 in there that we can't leave outside. So everything is good with the 55. This car was sitting 43 years in the garage, and there she is. It's nice and warm out here in New York today. It's about 54 degrees. So guys, please like and share the video. I love all your comments. Please hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Also hit that 55 Chevy in the right hand corner so you could subscribe to my channel. I was down in Florida. Wasn't too many cars where I was at, but we got some good stuff coming up with videos, and just really like when you guys subscribe to the channel, because it just helps me know that people are like my information. So again, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Please like and share this video. Please leave your comments down below. Please hit the bell notification and hit that little 55 Chevy in the right hand corner, and you can be my new person to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Have a great day. Watch out for the awesome videos coming up to 55. Bye bye.